Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cake recipe and grow a garden. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of flour, which you can mill from your garden's wheat. Next, collect 2 fresh eggs from your happy chickens. Don't forget 1 cup of sugar from your sweet cane, and finally, 1/2 cup of milk from your friendly dairy cow. These fresh, homegrown items are the foundation. Now that we have our ingredients, it's time to mix the batter. In a large bowl, combine your 3 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk together your 2 eggs and 1/2 cup of milk. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring gently. Mix until everything is just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can make your cake tough. After preparation, the seaweed pulp is carefully spread into very thin, uniform layers onto specialized bamboo or mesh frames. These frames are then moved to controlled drying chambers, or traditionally, left under the sun. This drying process is critical, as it removes almost all moisture, transforming the wet pulp into a solid, cohesive sheet. As the sheets dry, they become noticeably brittle and develop their characteristic dark green color. Ready for the final step. The final step is decorating your beautiful cake. You can make a simple frosting using berries harvested from your garden, like strawberries or blueberries. Spread the frosting evenly over the completely cooled cake. For an extra touch, garnish with a few fresh mint leaves or edible flowers from your garden. Now, your delightful, homemade cake is ready to be sliced and enjoyed with friends and family.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.